Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to divide the circle into 11 equal parts. Let's start with a circle. I'm using a 5 centimeters radius here, but you can use any radius you like. Next, instead of starting with the horizontal line, I'm actually starting with the vertical line. So again, you can measure the distance, you can eyeball it, whatever you prefer. Just make sure that your vertical line passes through the center. Next, I'm using my compass with my initial radius and making 4 marks, 2 here and 2 on top. 4 marks on my circumference. This is the one that we use to divide a circle into 6 equal parts. Now I'm actually drawing 2 triangles. Connecting these 3 points first and then the other 3. Now I will align my ruler to these 2 opposite points. And what I actually need is just this mark here. You can omit even the dashed line if you want. We just need a mark on the side of the triangle, and I'm doing the same here. Now that I have these 2 marks, I'm gonna connect them to this point right here. And again, I'm using a dashed line. We don't need it, we just need the mark on the vertical line. The distance between these 2 points is what will give me my 11-fold division. So I'm measuring this distance, then pointing my compass down here and making 2 marks. And now I'm going to measure the distance between these 2 points. The distance between these 2 points is my 11-fold division. Now I'm just using my compass to mark the points on the circumference. As you can see here, I already had some marks. The 11-fold division is really tricky. So if you see your points are not aligning, make sure to go back and do your calculations because you really want the distance to match when you use your compass over the circumference. In the end, it needs to go back to the top intersection one. And now it's time to connect each intersection with the center of the circle, divided into 11 equal parts. I'm using bold lines so you can see it clearly and you also don't get confused with the rest of the construction. And guess what happens if you extend the lines? You divided the circumference into 22. Just saying, I'll leave it to you to explore. And the 11-fold division is ready. Make sure to subscribe if you like this type of content. Bye!